Joseph Homestead.
Today is Wednesday, October 2nd, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saveja,
and you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, Pythons. Welcome back to Python TV. Today we're going to prank Rocco.
We're gonna turn off all the lights to scare him during the announcements.
Now back to Python TV.
I loved going to the book fair as a kid.
Guys, this book is iconic.
Hello, Pythons. Welcome back to Python TV.
Can you already believe that it's the third month of the school year?
Hello? What just happened? Lucas? Lucas!
Yep. Anyway, that's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and updates. Have a great day.
Go!